Okay, so I want to show you how radians actually, where it even came from. So I am drawing a perfect circle, and then the term radians comes from the radius of the circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut pieces of yarn that are exact radii of this circle. So I'm going to take each of these radii and I am going to tape them to the edge of the circle all the way around, because the distance all the way around the circle is the circumference. Alright, so as I taped the radius all the way around, I had to keep cutting more and more and more. And you can see that it ended up being a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a little extra. Well, what did we learn about radians? We learned that radians all the way around was 360 degrees or 2 pi. Okay? Well, what else do we know 2 pi is equivalent to? 6.28 radians. And that's where this comes from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little bit more radians. So I just wanted you to see how the term radians even came to be.